seen. It's Saturday today, so it was last week's. So I've caught up to then. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just going to shuffle these cards. Now I have got something in mind, so I'm hoping I'll get some blue cards. Ah, lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh, lovely. Okay. And that one, which says silence. Okay, they're the cards we've dealt. So we'll get on with the video. I'm going to be working in my small, hang on, let me set them up. I'm going to be working in this one, which is my small journal, and I've already taken out my page because I can do that because it's not sewn in, and I can work on the next page over. Right, first off, I'm going to paint this back, so I'm going to just add some of these Stamperia colours down, just laying some sort of colour down, you know. Right, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, this is dry now, the background. It's on cotton paper, so it will have bits in it like this, because it's a totally different paper to normal paper. I'm gonna have to put some music over this throughout because I've actually got someone doing some repairs in the house. So right, in this part guys, I put this stencil on, but it doesn't come out very well. You'll see it, I filmed it anyway, but I wanted that sort of effect of the stencil, but it never come out looking the way it does with the stencil. But you'll see when I lift it up in a second. I mean, the blue's beautiful with the brown and the golden colour in that. They really complement each other well, but that stencil is not good. Where's it gonna lift in a second? And then you'll say, here we go. I thought to myself, what's going on here? And I'm looking at the stencil and the pattern, thinking I've got it round the wrong way. I didn't even have it round the wrong way. But yeah, I won't be using that stencil again. I'm going over with this stencil now, to give it a bit more texture, look to it. Okay, I've cut out some bits and pieces that I want to put down, and I'm going to glue them, if I can find my glue that is, into place. Seem to have lost everything. Now I'm using this Stamperia Kilt collection. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just like to use, if I cut anything out, I like to use the scrap pieces as well, either on the same project or another project, but I found I can get them on here. go around. You may not see this gold pen on film, but it really does beautiful gold colour. I'll try and hold it up, hold on for a minute. She's going to have some little dots there and a pair of earrings. You can have some nice gold earrings. There you go. And you've got a nice gold bracelet on there. Nice big thick one. You can have some proper gold. There you go. And now I need my dabber, which I've got, there it is. And I need brown ink. And I'm just going to go around the edges. And I would say that was done. So there she is. And the gold really does stand out. Really does. It's really pretty. So if I can quickly go outside to show you. So thank you guys for joining me, and please go over to Karisprompts. This is for week 19 that's just gone. So week 20 will be up next week, and looking forward to doing that. I really do love doing the prompts, and you can do a lot. Just get your creative juices flowing with it. So yeah, thank you all for your support and watching me, and I shall be back with another video soon. Okay, bye. Take care, bye. There we go. I'm outside now. Don't worry about the dirt, it's on my garden table. Look at the rust and the gold.